Innovation, standing with the times. Intelligent, raising the sail of quality. Hans Laser Smart Equipment Group Machining Center. With a new vision to drive the development of new momentum. To provide a total solution for parts processing. Built at a cost of 400 million renminbi. It is equipped with 230 sets of high-precision CNC equipment. Completing the supply of high-precision equipment parts up to 75%. With a total annual output of more than 25,000 high-precision materials, carrying more than 2.48 million pieces. Excellence is never an empty word. And we take the lead in implementing a 24-hour fully automated sleeper line to lay a solid foundation for products' quality. We have creatively overcome the technical barriers of curved and shaped parts to realize the urgent need for high-precision parts for special equipment such as medical, agricultural, and marine. Innovated and piloted the first 14M total machining solution, which won the Silver Award in the National Machinery Industry Product Quality Innovation Competition. In order to control the quality of our products, we use imported equipment such as Swedish Hexagon Coordinate Measuring Machine to measure and inspect. We follow international standards and test our products comprehensively to make the quality more solid, the use more reliable, and the customers more economical. Customer-oriented, win-win situation. In order to quickly and accurately respond to client needs, we have implemented internal ERP/CRM/OA information management systems to make the technology, production, sales, and other business processes scientific and standard. We are full of the spirit of innovation, efficient synergy, and strive to create greater value for our clients. We are down-to-earth and attentive, good at cooperation, and committed to become an excellent part supplier.